Alright, let me start by hitting you right in the gut with the truth most men never hear. If you think a woman falls for you because you're nice or because you treat her like royalty from day one, you're playing the game completely backward. Let me break this down in a way that'll stick with you forever. Because after today, you're not going to be another average dude stuck in the friend zone, buying flowers and praying for her to see your worth. You're going to understand how a woman actually falls in love step by step, and you're going to realize why your old approach was dead on arrival. So buckle up, because what I'm about to teach you, it'll flip your entire reality upside down. And if you pay attention to the end, it's going to change the way women see you forever. Why most guys never get past "he's nice." Let's start with a brutal stat. 99% of guys have absolutely no clue how a woman's emotions work. They think, if I do everything right, if I'm super sweet, if I buy her stuff, if I'm always available, she'll have to like me, right? Wrong. You know what that gets you? A polite thank you, a pat on the head, and maybe a seat in her emotional waiting room while she texts the guy who's actually got her heart racing. That guy, he's not necessarily better looking, not richer, not even smoother. He just understands one critical concept you're about to learn. The reality her feelings build over time. Here's the deal. From the very first moment you start talking to a girl, her desire for you is exactly zero. It doesn't matter how hot she is, how long you've liked her, or how badly you want it. Your feelings, they're like instant ramen. You see her, she smiles, maybe laughs at your dumb joke, and boom, you're halfway picturing your wedding. But her, she's a slow-cooked Texas brisket. She needs time. Time to simmer, to heat up, to slowly build those feelings until she's actually hungry for you. Most guys screw this up because they try to force it. They push, they text too much, they fish for validation, trying to microwave something that literally needs hours in the smoker. Want her to fall? Understand investment. Here's the foundation of everything. People don't value what's free. They value what they've worked for. Think about it. Ever notice you take care of something more if you saved up to buy it yourself versus if someone just handed it to you? It's the same with women. She doesn't fall for the guy who hands her everything on a silver platter. She falls for the guy who gets her to invest her time, her energy, her thoughts, her emotions. Because the more she invests in you, the more she values you. The more she feels this subtle hook in her chest pulling her closer. The 3 hidden ways women invest and why they matter. Now let's break down exactly how she invests. Because once you get this, you'll see exactly why that nice guy approach fails and why certain dudes barely try and still have girls thinking about them at 2 a.m. 1. Compliance. This is hands down the most overlooked secret. Every single time a woman says yes to you, she's taking a small step deeper into your world. It doesn't matter if it's tiny. Hey, can you pass me that? Want to meet at 6 instead of 7? Hold this for me. Every yes is like her tying a little emotional string to you. The more strings, the harder to pull away. Now there are levels to this game. Compliance requests. This is beginner level, but powerful. It's basically polite asks. You're inviting her to do something not demanding. Easy stuff like, want to grab a coffee here instead? Can you help me pick something real quick? Requests are super easy to get a yes to because she doesn't feel pressure. But each little yes stacks up. It starts to feel natural for her to go along with you. Compliance demands. Now we level up. Instead of asking, you lead. Direct, confident, playful, sometimes a little teasing. We're sitting here, let's go. Hand me that, cutie. Turn this way, I want to see your face. Most women are starving for a man who's comfortable taking the lead. Because it feels like he knows what he's doing and she can just relax into her feminine energy. Now don't be an asshole. It's not about barking orders. It's about confidently moving things forward, like it's just obvious. She'll love it. Taking compliance. This is the top level, where you don't even need to ask. You take her hand and lead her across the street. You pull her in a little closer when you're talking. You kiss her because you want to, and she follows your lead. Most guys try to jump straight to this and wonder why it's awkward. If she hasn't invested enough yet, she'll pull back. But if you build it right, she'll melt into it. 2. Mental rumination. Here's where it gets almost unfair. Because the more a woman thinks about you, the more hooked she becomes. Even if she's not with you physically. Most guys ruin this by being too available, texting her all day, answering immediately, and basically removing all the mystery. Here's how you flip it. Give her little tasks. Ask her to look something up, pick something up, plan something small. Every time she does, she's thinking about you. Hey, find us a cool rooftop for Friday. Grab that weird ice cream you were telling me about. I want to try it. Now she's picturing the two of you there, replaying your conversations. That's powerful. Be a puzzle. Stop telling her every little thing about you. Let her wonder, is he into me? What did he mean by that? Who was he texting when he smiled at his phone? Let her mind spiral a little. That's where obsession grows. Even make her a little mad. This is advanced. But when a girl gets frustrated or a bit jealous because of you, she's spending massive emotional energy on you. And when you smooth it over, she's even more invested. Just don't play games you can't handle. You can easily blow this up if you're sloppy. 3. Temporal investment. Simple. The more time she spends with you, the more attached she becomes. It's why long-term relationships stick. It's why you start missing people after hanging out consistently. But here's the kicker most men miss. Time spent with you should feel like an experience. If she's just there, scrolling her phone or feeling awkward, it's not doing anything. But if every hangout has little moments that pop, inside jokes, slight teasing, playful challenges, small adventures, her time with you becomes addictive. Why nice guys fail at all 3. Here's where we shatter the friend zone myth for good. The overly nice guy fails because he never gets compliance. He does everything for her. He's not a mystery. He lays all his feelings out immediately. His time isn't charged with tension or leadership. He's just passively there, hoping she decides to like him. Meanwhile, the guy she actually dreams about is accidentally hitting all 3, getting her to comply with his plans, keeping her wondering how he feels, giving her moments that she replays over and over. It's not even about being a jerk. It's about understanding how human desire works, how you turn this into your advantage starting today. Let's wrap this all up into something practical. Because I know you're hungry to flip the script on how your love life works. 1. Start small. Get compliance. Next time you're with her, don't just be agreeable. Ask for little things. Make tiny, low-pressure requests. Let her get used to saying yes to you. Then graduate to being playful with light demands. If she's giggling and going along with it, you're golden. 2. Build mystery. Stop unloading your entire emotional journal on her. Let her figure you out. Be playful when she fishes for clarity. Make her guess a little. 3. Be intentional with your time. Plan thing. Or, lead. Even if it's simple. Come on, let's walk this way. I want to show you something. Make her feel like she's entering your world. 4. Let time do its magic. Remember, she's a brisket. Don't rush it. If you try to go from 0 to marriage proposal in 2 weeks, she's gone. But if you let her simmer, get her to invest, keep her thinking about you, she'll end up craving you more than you ever imagined. Final words and your next move. Look, you can keep doing what every other average guy is doing. Texting paragraphs. Buying random gifts hoping for love. Watching your crush laugh about some other dude while telling you you're so sweet. Or you can wake up. Step into being the man she actually dreams about. The man who understands how her desire works and uses it to build something real, electric, and unshakable. So here's your challenge. The next time you're with a girl you like, remember you are the instant ramen. She is the barbecue brisket. Stop boiling over. Stay cool. Get her to invest. And let her fall for you the way nature intended, slowly, deeply, and completely. If you want more raw, unfiltered truths like this, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment telling me what part of this hit you the hardest. I read every single one. And trust me, this is just the start. We're going to turn you into the kind of man women can't stop thinking about.